So today's lecture, good afternoon friends, we have to study the network security concept from the last 3-4 lectures. Uh, Let us consider that how the hacking is done, what the ethically we can ethical hacking method is used for the purpose of hacking purpose. So necessary that for to study the detailed manner. Myself, Sachin Tate, I am working as assistant professor into the SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. So, how the hacking will be done and what is the network issue? We have to study in this lecture, and we can study the revision part in the this lecture. Let us consider if what the ethics are required for the ethical hacking, the knowledge about the networking concept, then we have to study about how the hacking will be done. So what do the ethical hackers do? Is the selecting the right tools as we project. If you doesn't have the right tools for the ethical hacking, accomplish the task efficiently in the difficult. Having said that, just because you see the right tools doesn't means that you will discover all vulnerabilities. Many tools Many tools focus on the specific test, but no one many tools focus on the specific test, but no one tools can test for everything. To crack password, you need the cracking tools such as LC4, John Reaper, and password dump. So password dump is there, John the Reaper is there, LC4 is there. General code scanners such as SuperScan many not crack the password. SuperScan is never crack the system, but there should be required the scanner. So it should be the internet scanner, Eternal, then Nesius, Nikto, then Kismet, TSC scanner. These are the different hackers tools. There Nmap, Ethernet speed, SuperScan, Vulnerability Guard, then Web Inspect, LC4 formerly called Hello, PS Crack, LAN Guard, Network Security Scanner, Network Stubbler, then Tone Law. Ethical hacking. What do the ethical hacker do? Actually, it executes the plan. Ethical hacking can take persistent time and patience are important. Be careful when you are performing your ethical hacker test. Make sure that keep everything is quite private as possible. This is easily critical as transferring and storing the test result. If possible, encrypt the emails and files using the pretty good privacy that PGP or sometimes similar at minimum password protect them. Then it should be used the evaluating result, access your result to see what are the uncovered assumptions that vulnerabilities have been made obvious because now submit the formal report to the upper management or your customers outlining your result. Moving on, when you are facing your ethical hacking test, you still need to implement your analysis and recommendation to make sure your system secure. So, what is ethical hacker is do? Inside the system, there should be the internet, extranet is there, firewall is there for the purpose. It should be the web and services there, stolen laptop, internet outside bad quality. So this is about how the ethical hacking should be do. That is self-explanatory in this diagram. So to study, overlook once again the given concept. So these are the access control method. Authentication procedure, like the client can enter the user ID and password. It should be authenticated. Then it should be take here. Then it should be send the request onto the server. Server can log in with user ID and password, and then it should be again authenticate onto the client. Then it should be the one-way or two-way authentication. Authentication procedure, issue as the client will be send the client ID and password to the authentication. Then the server should be send the server ID and password. Then the authentication exchange the data with the help of key key data. That exchanging the data. Access control is the security features that control where the accessing the resources onto the operating system application called the access control function. Now, what is encryption? Encryption is process of transferring the information into the plain text to the ciphertext. Anyone except the processing special knowledge usually referred as key. Decryption is the process to make the encrypted information readable to the users. Encryption can use the protect data at rest, such as files, computers, or storage devices. Digital right management system which authorize the user to reproduction and copyright material. Encryption application like the disk encryption, also known as OTF software, high folder encryption, data encryption, and communication encryption. Application with the network traffic area, wireless security involves the different purpose, just like 802.11i, Bluetooth, and Web 0. Wireless access protocol is used, transport level, their security also. The wireless security 802.11 security standard provided the data link protocol for web wireless equivalent policy is designed replace the web with the WPA. Final proposal 802.11i proposed the security network like RS. Wireless security to Bluetooth considerably shorter range than 802.11. Then Bluetooth has the three security modes. Nothing the data encryption. Two devices must share and secret key. Perhaps user pin and both. Wireless security Bluetooth is navigate channel established 128 bit key. Some bits made the public due to the government restriction. Encryption user stream sweepers squad integrity controls and shapers to both ciphers. Wireless security web 2.0 involve the handle the device connectivity, use the protocols, then is IP supported, then TCP connect the protected by the TLS in the transport layer, use HTTP client authentication, probably better 802. A security process, some data is confidential, not to the stolen to another. There should be the security processes given. 10 ways is there, backup early open, use files levels and share security, password protect document, then EFS encryption, use disk encryption, then make use of public key infrastructure, protect data and transmit IP, secure wireless transmission, use right to management return control. Then ethical hacking is given in brief. Hackers is the person enjoying learning the details computer system, how to stress capabilities as opposed to most user computer prefer to learn the minimum amount necessary. One who program enthusiastically or even enjoying the program just theorizing and programming. Also has the penetration testing and fight back hacking, evaluate the target system security and report back owner within the vulnerabilities and the found instruction for the how remedy used. These methods are used early days in the computer. Ethical hacking goal is a hack to the system, not disturb the person. Then enumerate the vulnerabilities and necessary prove the upper management and vulnerability exist. Apply results to the remote vulnerabilities and better secure. Then what do the ethical hackers do? This formulated plan get to the jail free card. Note hold to barrier approach. Testing may be designed to implement remote network simulator, remote dial network simulator, and local network simulation methods. What do the ethical hackers do? Is stolen the laptop in the computer, laptop computer Social engineering is involved in the organization staff, whether would we leak the information or someone else. Physical entry acts as the physical penetration of the organization building. So this is all about the network security concept. Next part we have to study in the next lecture.